Is it audible to everyone? Clear? Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Right. So let's continue. Let's continue. So we discussed about how do we install, and add Angular material for our project. So how we can install and add Angular material for project? We need to just use ng add Angular material. Once you've done this, the next step, it will ask for few questions. What are the questions it is going to ask? About the theme. Select any built-in theme. You can select any built-in theme or custom. And another point is it will ask for the browser animations module. So you need to say yes. Browser animation module is yes. So, and it will ask you for various typography, right? So you have to select that also. That means typography styles, typography fonts, right? Actually, so you say yes, right? So once you configure this, once you have selected this, that means now your Angular material is ready to use. It is installed. So after installed successfully. So go to styles.css in src and import any theme for you have to import any theme for Angular material. You have to import any theme for Angular material. You need to import any theme for Angular material. So what we will do now is we will go to this styles. Now you can observe that. So it has made some changes. You can see those changes here. So it's added a simple body height to 100% and font family as Roboto. So it is you adding something by default. Some fonts, some effects are added here. Here we need to import. So another library, that is import. You will find the material related library, and you can import the material related library. So you have to import the material library from, it is in a different location. So you have to access it from @Angular. So you have to access from @Angular. So in that Angular slash, so in that slash you have material. So you have a material. In that material, pre-built themes will be available. That means we need to define here import. So in the import, we need to add a pre-built theme. That is so Angular. In that Angular, you have to define material. In the material, we need to use pre-built themes. In the pre-built themes, we have to use any specific theme. This is already available. So in your application library, you can handle that. That means actually you go into your project. In the project, so we have node modules. In that you can see, so it is having Angular. So in the Angular, you can see it is present in that location. That means technically how you configure that. Yes. So technically how you configure that. So technically how you configure this, you can define. So @Angular is enough actually directly to import the materials, right? You can directly import the materials. Actually, it is in node modules. In node modules, we have Angular, but it is not defined in this way, because if it is configured in the project, you can directly access it with @Angular, right? @Angular. And this is an Angular library. You can directly access it at the net Angular slash. You have to define in material. So in Angular, you can observe. So there is a material. So Angular material. Left side, you can see in the material. So ready-made, so many options are available. And you can observe here, you will find a pre-built themes folder. You have to use that pre-built themes folder. Pre-built hyphen themes. In the pre-built themes, you can see in the pre-built themes, there are several themes available here. You can use any specific theme that you want. You can use any specific theme you want. You can configure any theme you want. There are 4 themes added. You can use any. Every theme is same, but have different types of effects and colors changing. Color theme only will change. So I will select any theme, like I will choose here, deep, so purple, and amber, amber dot CSS. This is the theme we are adding. We are configuring this theme here. So this is the theme we are defining here, the theme we are configuring here. So we need to handle a predefined theme. We need to configure a predefined theme. We need to import that theme here. So we can configure the custom themes, right? And you can define another theme. So the amber spelling is wrong. Okay, fine, good. So this is the pre-built theme I imported. This is related to material. For material, you need a theme, and we are configuring that theme here. So let's compile and run this. And usually when you compile and run this, so in the components here, because Bootstrap is also there, Bootstrap is there, and your additional another component, this is deep purple, also added. But this theme usually contains a lot of effects defined for matte components. That means material components. This is a special theme for material components. How to apply them, how to use them, we will see one by one. How do we work with them? We will see one by one. So because this is a workshop and this is not materials class, so because there is a lot of things to learn, there are a lot of things to learn about materials and understand about materials, because just like Bootstrap only, so many are there. I will give you few overviews of different components. Based on that, you can try others also. You can try others. I will explain few here because it requires a lot of time to spend to understand all the material concept, and not required also. If I give idea of 2-3, you can design all others by yourself. So I will post some examples. You can see and practice those examples by yourself. But how to approach that, for some few examples I will explain here. We will see here, right? Let's see how we can use this material now. That means this is ready now. So this is ready. This is ready. So that means you have to go to styles.css and you have to import this. So you have to import this. From the pre-built themes, you need to import this. Now everything is ready. That means your material component library is ready to use. You can start working with it. Now let's see how you can manage that. Let's see how we can manage, how you can handle this. Step by step we will see. So few components we will discuss, how to work with the components, right? Let's see some important components, how to design and how to work with this material. So first what I'm doing here is, so in the components, that means material components, examples, component examples. I will give you some material component examples. I will give you few examples. Others you can try by yourself. I will give you from where you can get that information and you can implement and you can use them according to your requirements. So initially, how we can use these material components. Let's see one simple examples, how to deal with these materials. So many are there because this is a big library. So, and in this library,